In an investment landscape already overflowing with data, a new force has emerged. It's not another analyst, not a new trading platform, but a powerful AI that just fundamentally shifted how we can analyze the stock market. But, for most investors, this revolution is happening unseen, leaving them feeling overwhelmed and potentially falling behind. Therefore, understanding how to leverage this technology isn't just an advantage anymore, it's rapidly becoming a necessity to stay competitive and informed. Welcome to WealthWise Daily, where we explain smart money moves simply. Today, we're talking about Claude, Anthropic's advanced AI, and its profound implications for your investment strategy. Many hear AI and think of futuristic, inaccessible tech. But Claude is here now, offering capabilities that were science fiction just a few years ago. We'll break down exactly what makes Claude different, how it can be integrated into your personal investment research, and crucially, how to use it responsibly to avoid common pitfalls. This isn't about automated trading, it's about empowering your decision-making with a tool that can process and synthesize financial information at an unprecedented scale. So, what exactly is Claude, and why is it making such waves in the financial sector? At its core, Claude is a large language model, similar in concept to other AIs you might have heard of, but with a critical difference: its context window. Claude can process an enormous amount of information at once, think entire annual reports, quarterly earnings calls, or even multiple analyst reports simultaneously. This isn't just a minor upgrade, it's a paradigm shift. Traditional human analysis of these documents is painstakingly slow and prone to oversight. Therefore, Claude's ability to ingest, understand, and synthesize these vast datasets quickly means investors can now uncover hidden connections or overlooked details far more efficiently. Think about the last time you tried to compare 5 different company 10K filings. How long did it take you to find the subtle differences in risk factors or growth projections? Claude can do this in minutes, not hours or days, allowing you to focus your valuable time on strategic thinking and validation, rather than manual data extraction. The real power of Claude lies in its practical applications for investment research. Imagine needing to understand the market sentiment around a specific sector. Claude can analyze thousands of news articles, social media posts, and expert opinions, summarizing key themes and identifying potential bullish or bearish trends. Furthermore, its ability to reason allows it to go beyond simple summarization. It can identify discrepancies in management statements, flag unusual language in SEC filings, or even highlight potential competitive threats mentioned in obscure industry reports. Many investors feel a constant pressure to keep up, to not miss the next big thing or a critical warning sign. But the sheer volume of information often makes this impossible. Therefore, Claude acts as an incredibly powerful assistant, sifting through the noise to bring you actionable intelligence. It's not about replacing your judgment, but augmenting it, providing a clearer, more comprehensive picture than ever before possible. It's an invaluable tool for gaining insights into complex market dynamics that would otherwise remain hidden. Now, for the practical part, how do you actually use Claude for your investments? The key is smart prompting and critical verification. Don't just ask, "Should I buy this stock?" Instead, try prompts like, "Summarize the key growth drivers and competitive risks from Company X's last 2 earnings call transcripts," or "Compare the capital expenditure plans of Company A and Company B based on their recent 10K filings." You can even ask it to identify any red flags or unusual accounting practices mentioned in this auditor's report. But, and this is crucial, never treat Claude as an infallible oracle. You now have a clearer understanding of how Claude is changing the investment landscape and how you can harness its power. The journey from feeling overwhelmed by financial data to confidently navigating it with cutting-edge tools starts now. Experiment with Claude responsibly, integrate it into your research process, and empower your financial decisions. If you found this tutorial valuable, hit the like button, subscribe to WealthWise Daily for more smart money moves, and share your thoughts on AI and investing in the comments below. We're all figuring this out together, and your insights help our entire community grow.